Good morning, students. Let me start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 2.7 8th question. See, if a comma b comma c are in AP means then we want to show that 3 power a comma 3 power b comma 3 power c are in GP we want to show. Okay. So one of the sequence is given arithmetic progression. Then using this arithmetic progression we want to show that 3 power a comma 3 power b comma 3 comma c are in GP. Okay, so see solution. First, given you should write given a comma b comma c are in AP. Then we want to show that 3 power a comma 3 power b comma 3 power c are in GP. This we want to show. Okay, so for that use this result first. Okay, given if a comma b comma c are in AP means one of the sequence is AP means what will be equal? Common difference is equal. Okay, common difference is equal. So you equate means sorry, equate the common difference. What is that? T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 because here only three terms are given. So T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2. Common difference equate. So B minus A is equal to C minus B. Okay, here second term minus first term, third term minus second term. Now minus b this side come plus b minus a that side go plus a. So a plus c will be in the right hand side. Now b plus b you should add means 2b is equal to a plus c. So first given result ABC are in AP means we receive the result is 2b is equal to a plus c. So using this result we want to show that this 3 power a 3 power b 3 power c are in GP we want to show. For that you want to take both the sides. So here after this both the sides multiply by 3, the value will not change. Okay, same number you are multiplying, the value will not change. Same number you are multiplying by both the side, the value will not change. Okay, now see here multiply means here you want to take it as a base, 3 you want to take it as a base. So 3 power b 3 power 2b is equal to 3 power a plus c. Want to take it as a base. Okay, actually 3 you want to take it as a base. So 3 power 2b is equal to 3 power a plus c. Okay, then only we will bring this result. So base you want to take. Now 3 power 2b we can split it and write b plus b is equal to 3 power a plus c. Now this we can split it and write 3 power b into 3 power b is equal to 3 power a into 3 power c. Okay. A power m plus n, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n. So you know that formula already. So you should split and write like that. Okay, this. So 3 power b plus b you can write 3 power b into 3 power b, here 3 power a into 3 power c. Okay, now so 3 power b by 3 power a will come down is equal to 3 power c divided by 1 of the 3 power b will go down this. Actually this is what is this? Here T2 by T1 is equal to, actually what we want to prove that, to show that 3 power A, 3 power B, 3 power C are in GP. GP means what is that? Ratios want to come equal. So here this result you see, this is the second term. Yes, T2 by, this is the first term. So T2 by T1 is equal to, this is the third term. So 3 power C is the third term. T3 by T2. Okay, see now here ratios is came equal. Okay, here common ratios common ratio is equal. Okay, common ratios is comes equal means these are in GP. Common ratio is equal, therefore 3 power a comma 3 power b comma 3 power c are in GP. Okay, hence proved. So this only we want to show. Okay, So I used a comma b comma c are in AP. Then I brought the result 2b is equal to a plus c. After that, both the side I multiply by 3. That means base I took it as a 3 means. So I bring the result this. Ratios is came equal. Therefore, these are in AP means surely these are in GP. Okay, that's all. Important this one is. See next ninth question. In a GP geometric progression, the product of three consecutive terms is 27 and the sum of the product of two terms taken at a time is 57 by 2. Find the three terms. Okay, so product of three consecutive terms want to choose first. Okay, so see solution. First want to choose, let's, okay, a by r, a r be the three consecutive terms of an GP. So you want to take it as, so geometric progression three consecutive terms we want to choose like that. Okay, so let a by r, a r be the three consecutive terms of an GP. So already you know that GP look like a r square, like that only it will go on, but consecutive terms is as means you want to choose like that, a by r, a r. Okay, can choose like that. So see now here it is given first, according to given condition. Okay, product is 27. So this three terms you should product means answer is 27 is given. So this two product means multiply a by r into a into ar, you should multiply means answer is 27. Now see here 1r will get cancelled. Now a into a, so you are multiplying means a cube is equal to 27. Now a cube is equal to 27 can change into 3 cube. Now buffer is equal means base also equal, therefore a value we will receive as a 3. Okay, so already have explained this. Power is equal means base also equal, so a is equal to 3. This is first. Product of three terms is, product is 27, or else we can write it as product of three terms. Product of three terms is 27. Okay, first condition over. Next condition, what does that means? It is given sum of product of terms, sum of product of terms is taken two at a time. Okay, given question I have the product of two terms taken at a time is 57 times 57 by 2. Okay, then means what want to do, two terms you should multiply and you should add. Okay, so this two term a by r into a plus a into ar plus ar into a by r, like that you should add, means you will receive the answer is 57 by 2. Okay, next result, what does that means, a by r into a, this two term you should product plus a into ar you should multiply plus ar into a by r should multiply. This answer is 57 by 2. Answer is 57 by 2. Okay, now what will be cancel? You cancel or else you can write here nothing, it will not be cancelled. Okay, here r alone will get cancelled. Remaining a into a squared by r plus a into a squared r plus a squared is equal to 57 by 2. All the one a squared is common, you are taking outside, remaining 1 by r plus 1. A squared went outside, remaining 1 is the meaning. So 157 by 2. Now next step, substitute a value. So a is equal to 3. So 3 squared of r, want to take it as a LCM. So r of 1 plus r into r square plus 1 into r. Okay, r want to take it as a LCM. This is equal to 57 by 2. Okay, r want to take it as a LCM. Now next step, 3 square means 9. 9 of 1 plus r square plus r whole divided by r is equal to 57 by 2. Now next step, see this 9 will go that side. Yes, this arrange 1 plus r square plus r whole divided by r is equal to 57 by 2 into 9. 9 will go denominator, 2 by 9. Now this you should cancel means, okay, 3 table can cancel means we will get 3 table cancel. First 1 plus r square plus r whole divided by r is equal to 57 and 9 you can cancel means here 21. 21 by here 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Here you will get, sorry, here you should cancel means we will get 19. Okay. 3 table you cancel means 19 by 6 you will get. Okay. Here 19. Here cancel means 3. So 19 by 2 3s are 6. Okay, 19 by 6 you will get. Now you do cross multiplication. So 6 will go, r will go there. So simplify, 6 times of 1 plus r square plus r is equal to 19r. Now 6 is common for each term. So the 6 plus 6r square plus 6r is equal to 19r. Now plus 19r this side comes minus 19r. First is 6r squared, right? Next 6r minus 19r plus 6 is equal to 0. Now 6r squared minus 19r, 6r go means remaining minus 13r plus 6 is equal to 0. Actually what equation is this? Quadratic equation. First we have received the answer is A. Okay, with A you should substitute and you want to receive the answer R. Okay, then only we can find the three terms. A and R value substitute, we will receive the answer. Now, this is a quadratic equation solved by factorization method means 3 3s are 36. Okay, and means minus 13 want to come. What is that? 6 6 are 36. Then and means minus 13. What is the factor of this? So see, we will receive the answer 9 4s are 36. So both also want to use minus. Minus 9 minus 4 add means minus 13. Multiply means minus into minus plus 36. So getting factor minus 9 minus 4, you should divide it by 6r. You should divide it by 6r. Shortcut method this is. Okay. So here r square coefficient 6 means 6r 6r. Both the factor also you should divide it by 6r. Now cancel means this 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. Here 2 table cancel means 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now what you will get? So see, first denominator and numerator you should write 2r minus 3 into 3r minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the factor of this quadratic equation. Okay, now this you should equate, both also equate with 0 means 2r minus 3 is equal to 0, 2r is equal to 3, r is equal to 3 by 2. Minus 3 that's I go plus 3. So that there 3r minus 2 is equal to 0, 3r is equal to minus 2 that's I go plus 2, r is equal to 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So r we have received as a both answer. Okay, therefore the three terms of an GP is A by R, A R. You substitute when A is equal to 3, R is equal to 3 by 2 means, okay, now you substitute A by R. A is 3 divided by R is 3 by 2. 3 by 3 by 2, 3 into 3 by 2. So what you will receive? This 2 will go numerator, then means 3 2s are 6, 6 by 3 you should cancel means 2 you will receive. 2, 3. This simplify means you will get 2. Okay, 2, 3 here, 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2 you will get. Okay, the three terms are 1 are 2, 3, 9 by 2 or else when A is equal to 3 and R is equal to 2 by 3 means. So substitute now. A is 3, 2 by 3. R is 2 by 3. Next A is 3. Next 3 of 2 by 3. So this 3 cancel. This cross multiplication. Okay, it will go numerator 3 3s are 9. 9 by 2. 3, 2. So reverse order you will get. Okay, in this reverse order you will get. That's all. Therefore, the three terms are. So according to the given question, we have received both answer. Okay. So one is 2, 3, 9 by 2. One more is 9 by 2, 3, 2. Okay. This is the answer. That's it. See, next question, 10th one. A man joined a company as assistant manager. The company gave him a starting salary is rupees 60,000 and agreed to increase his salary 5% annually. Okay, every year is increasing 5% of salary. Okay, increasing salary 5% increment. Then what will be his salary after 5 years? Okay, after 5 years his salary will be, what is it, then means sixth year his salary will be how much they are asking. Okay, so for that you see solution, we can use geometric progression and we can get the answer. Okay, so like that also we can get answer. But one more formula we have learned in lower sections. Yes, 8th standard. What is that? A company a company gave him starting salary 60,000 and agreed to increase his salary is 5% annually. So his salary will be increasing at every year. Yes, every year his salary will be increasing. So that it is increasing means we want to use appreciation formula. Yes, so appreciation and depreciation you learned already. Yes, appreciation means what is the formula and depreciation means what is the formula, you know very well. So use that formula, easily we will receive the answer. For that you see here first given what is the initial salary. His initial salary is initial salary that you want to choose as the P. Okay, choose as it as a P. P is equal to here rupees 60,000. Okay, principal, actually it is called principal. Initial salary, principal. Here annual increment, here that is rate of interest. Yes, annual increment, how much? 5%, that is R. Rate of interest 5, R is equal to 5. Yes, now next see, it is looking like appreciation only, so that you want to use appreciation. Here question asked to find his salary after 5 years. Salary after 5 years. Okay, then use appreciation. Use appreciation formula. What is that? A is equal to, amount is equal to P of, okay, 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So suppose depreciation means here in between want to use minus. Yes, so now you substitute the values. Principal is 60,000 of 1 plus R is 5% of 5 by 100 whole to the power n also 5. After 5 years only they are asking, that means here 5 years, so n is equal to 5. Now you substitute and simplify, substituted then simplify, you will get the answer. Now 60,000 of 100 want to take it as LCM, so 100 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power 5. So 60,000 105 by 100 whole to the power 5 can get cancel also, but no need to cancel. Cancellation it is easy, so that I am not cancel this one as. So this 60,000 into 105 by 100, you want to write it as a how many times? So 5 times want to write, because power is 5 is there, so that 5 times want to write. 105 by 100 into 105 by 100. Okay, this you should, everything you should cancel. Okay, it is easy cancellation. You want to do it cancellation. Here 2 0, here 2 0, here 2 0, here 2 0, cancel. After that you should simplify this. So or else I will simplify this. 2 0, here 2 0, cancel. Here 2 0, here 2 0, cancel. Then next you see 5 table cancel this both. So cancel means 21 by 20. This 5 table cancel means 21 by 20. This cancel means 21 by 20 you will get. So remaining you should write 6 into 105 into 105 into 21 into 21 into 21 whole divided by, okay, see 21, here 1 is no need to consider, 105 21 into 21 into 21 divided by 20 into 20 into 20, okay, 3 times 20. Now again you want to cancel with the 5 table, means here 21, here 4 5s are 20, here 21, here 4 5s are 20, okay. Then next here we cannot get cancel, this 6 and 20 you can cancel, means 2 table, 3 2s are 6, 10 2s are 20, okay. After that we cannot get cancel, yes. So this is before 20, here I cancel now, that is that 20, yes. So you have cancelled, therefore what is the answer now? You see here, how many times? 3 into 21 into 21 into 21, 21 how many times are there? 5 times are there, 1 2 3 4 5 times, whole divided by, here 4 4s are 16, 16 into 10, 160, okay. Now numerator everything you should multiply, means you will get 1 crore 22 lakh 52,303 you will get. Denominator you will get it as a 160. Now this you should cancel, means you will get approximately 76,576.8938, it will go on, okay. Okay, this you want to convert into full amount, then means your point after more than 5 it's coming, so that you should add with 1, means here 76,577, therefore he will receive the salaries after 5 years 76,577 rupees he will get, okay. He will get the salary, his salary after 5 years is 76,577, that's all. Like that, example 2.45 in your book, exam page number 72, example 2.45 is there, okay. This you want to follow this method, okay. Use this formula, appreciation formula only we can use, but here is it is given, find the estimate value of the machine in the 6th year, 6th year estimate, okay. 6th year, what is the rate it is asked, machine rate they are asking, value of the machine it is asking, then means 6th year means 5th year, okay. Here salary after 5 years, then means 6th year only his salary is asking, then means exactly n you want to substitute 5 there. Here asking question, estimate value of machine in the 6th year, okay. 6th year means n you want to substitute as a 5, okay. 5 you should substitute, means only 6th year is you will get the value of the machine, estimate the value of the machine value you will get, okay. Then means they, that sum also, example sum also, n you want to substitute as the 5, means the same method you can follow, you will receive at the same answer, okay. That's all. Thank you.